Sleep next to this plant every day, and you'll be surprised by the reason and won't stop thanking me. A Japanese doctor is warning people to put this plant in their room. He mentioned 6 reasons, and I'll tell you now without delay. And I'll tell you up front that the 6th reason is surprising and will spark a lot of discussion in the comments. Number 1, according to NASA studies, the snake plant is one of the plants that produces the most oxygen and purifies the air compared to other plants we can have at home. So that's the first reason. Number 2, most plants produce oxygen during the day, but the snake plant produces it at night, which helps a lot with sleep. During the day, it will absorb the bad air with some components that are not so healthy for humans, and at night, it will release the purest oxygen. Number 3, the snake plant is capable of removing pollutant toxins from the air. This means that it is very good at fighting allergies. And as I said, this will happen during the day. And at night, your room will have clean air free from impurities. Number 4, it's a super easy plant to take care of. It adapts to different light conditions, and it doesn't need much water. Being natural from South Africa, it withstands drier and hotter climates, which makes it long-lasting even without water to grow. It also doesn't need direct sunlight, so it can easily stay in places with low light. So the bedroom, bathroom, and living room are excellent options. Number 5, it's very beautiful to decorate your home. What more reason do you need? It looks great in the bedroom or your bathroom. It will decorate your home because it's a wonderful plant and will help you if you have problems with rhinitis, sinusitis, or other respiratory system-related diseases. Number 6, I saved the best for last. Some people believe that it absorbs all the negative energy from certain people who visit your home. These people who believe this suggest placing the snake plant next to the main door of your house to contain this evil, because this plant protects your home from heavy energies. To prove this, when someone enters your home and the plant starts to dry out over the days, even if you water it, it means that it is expelling all the bad energy from your home. Keep watering it, and it will return to normal. Do you believe in this, or do you think it doesn't exist? Your opinion is super important. Do you have this plant in your home, or do you want to have it? I hope you enjoyed today's video. May everyone be blessed.